Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some sesame pork for you. I had some pork loins I was trying to decide what to do with, and the idea came to me to do some sesame pork. It's a good little recipe if you don't have any chicken, you want to substitute the pork instead. So I'll start off with my 4 pork loins that I had here. They're about an inch thick or so. And I'll start trimming them up and getting them cut into about 1-inch pieces, as you'll see. And if you want to, you can get your little plastic bag and throw them in, and you got a little meat mallet, just hit them a few times just to tenderize them up. You can see the size there of them, just about an inch, little cubes. And then I'll lightly dress it with some sesame oil so my seasons will adhere. And I just simply seasoned with the salt, pepper, and garlic powder, because my sesame sauce that I'm going to roll them in is going to be my major flavor that I'm wanting. And once I've got them seasoned, I let them sit and season for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to lightly dredge them in my flour. And I didn't season my flour, it's just plain flour, and just shake them back and forth a little bit to get this nice little light coating on them. And then I'll let those sit, and then I'll start on my sauce. And I'll have all the ingredients down below and all the measurements so you know what's all going in it. So I want to go through everything here and just combine everything, stir it together well, and just hit it at about a medium to medium high heat. And you'll start getting just a light little roll and bowl with it. And then you can turn it back down to about medium to medium low and just let it just continue to cook. Preheat your oil while you've got your sauce going. Get it up to 350 degrees, and then you can start frying off your little pork pieces. And it doesn't take too long. You just kind of slowly roll them around and get them to the right color. You just want just a light little golden brown color. And like I said, it don't take too long, maybe 5-10 minutes to get them cooked through. And once you get them to the color right here that you'll see, you can start working on taking them up and draining them. And then you're gonna put them in the sauce here, because I want to get those flavors rolling through and sticking to the pork piece as well. Like I said, just lightly let them drain for a little bit, and then you're gonna add it to the sauce. And once you add it into the sauce, just let it cook for about 10 minutes on just a medium-low heat, and let that sauce start soaking into the pork and getting it good and sticky. And once you let it cook there, you can just eat and serve. It's great if you've got some rice to put it over, or steamed vegetables, or if it's good with itself, or if you got any type of little roll or bun you can put it on. It's good on like a sandwich too. But anyways, that's some sesame pork for you. If you don't have the chicken, like I said, you can use your pork here, and it's a great little recipe to use. But anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.